Wow, Emma, look at this furniture store. It's so big.
Yes, Liam. They have so many sofas, chairs, and tables. What are you looking for today?
I want to buy a new sofa for my living room. My old sofa is very old and uncomfortable.
Okay, let's see. There are many types. Do you want a leather sofa or fabric sofa?
I think fabric is better. It is soft and comfortable.
Yes, fabric is nice. Look at this gray one. It has 3 seats and looks very modern.
I like it. But is it big enough for my living room?
Let's check the size. It is 2 meters long. Will it fit your room?
Yes, my room is 3 meters long, so it will fit perfectly.
Great. What about the color? Do you like gray or maybe blue?
I like gray because it matches my walls and carpet.
Perfect choice. Now let's check the price.
Oh, it is $500. Is it too expensive?
Not really. It's good quality and it will last many years. Also, they have a discount this week.
That's great. I will buy it. Can they deliver it to my house?
Yes, delivery is included. You just need to give your address.
Awesome. I am excited to have a new sofa. Thank you, Emma, for helping me choose.
You're welcome. I am happy you like it.
Emma, look at all these dining tables. Which one do you think is best for my home?
Let's see. There are wooden tables, glass tables, and metal tables. Do you want something modern or classic?
I like a modern style. Something simple but strong.
Okay. How about this wooden table with glass top? It has 6 chairs and looks very stylish.
Wow, it looks nice. But is it big enough for my family?
Yes, 6 chairs will be perfect. You can also add 2 extra chairs if needed.
Good idea. What about the color? Should I choose brown or black?
Black looks modern and matches your kitchen cabinets. Brown is more traditional.
I like black. It will look nice in my dining area.
Great choice. Now let's check the material. The table is solid wood with tempered glass top. It's very strong and easy to clean.
That's important. I want it to last many years. Also, I have kids, so cleaning must be easy.
Yes, glass top is easy to clean. Wipe with a cloth and it looks new again.
Perfect. How much does it cost?
The price is $400.
Emma, my old bed is uncomfortable. I want a new bed for better sleep.
Okay, Liam. Let's see. There are wooden beds, metal beds, and upholstered beds. Which type do you like?
I think an upholstered bed looks comfortable and modern.
Yes, upholstered beds are soft and stylish. Look at this gray one. It has a soft headboard and storage underneath.
Storage underneath. That's interesting. I can keep extra blankets and pillows there.
Exactly. And the size is king size. You will have a lot of space to sleep comfortably.
I like that. But is it strong and durable?
Yes, the frame is solid wood and the fabric is high quality. It will last many years.
Perfect. What about color? Should I choose gray or beige?
Gray is modern and matches most room colors. Beige looks warm but can get dirty easily.
Then gray is better. I want something easy to maintain.
Good choice. Now, let's check the mattress. It comes with a medium firm mattress, very comfortable for daily use.
That's important. I sleep better on a medium firm mattress.
Yes, it supports your back and neck properly, and the bed height is perfect for getting in and out easily.
Awesome. How much does it cost?
It's $600. They have free delivery and assembly.
That's great. I don't want to assemble it myself.
No worries. Delivery team will bring it home and set it up for you.
Thank you, Emma. I'm excited to buy this bed.
You're welcome. Now you will sleep comfortably every night.
Emma, my old wardrobe is too small. I need a bigger one for all my clothes.
Okay, Liam, let's see. There are wooden wardrobes, sliding door wardrobes, and wardrobes with mirrors. Which one do you like?
I like sliding door wardrobes. They save space and look modern.
Yes, sliding doors are very convenient. Look at this one. It has 3 sections and a mirror on one door.
A mirror? That's perfect. I can check my clothes before going out.
Exactly. And the wardrobe is 2 meters tall and 1.5 meters wide. Plenty of space for your clothes, shoes, and accessories.
Great. But what about the material? Will it last long?
Yes, it is made of solid wood with a smooth finish, very strong and durable.
Nice. I want something that lasts at least 10 years.
You will have it for many years. The sliding doors are also soft close, so they don't make noise.
That's important. I don't want doors to slam. What about color? Should I choose brown or white?
White looks modern and bright. Brown is more classic but darker.
I like white. It will make my room look bigger.
Perfect choice. Now let's check the price.
How much is it?
It's $550. They also offer free delivery and assembly.
That's reasonable. I don't want to assemble it myself.
No worries. Delivery team will bring it to your home and set it up.
Thank you, Emma. You always help me choose the best furniture.
You're welcome, Liam. Now you will have a stylish and spacious wardrobe.
Emma, I need a coffee table for my living room. My old one is too small and old.
Okay, Liam, let's see. There are wooden tables, glass tables, and metal tables. What style do you want?
Something modern and simple. Not too big, but not too small either.
Look at this one. It's a wooden coffee table with a glass top and a lower shelf.
A lower shelf, that's useful. I can put magazines and remote controls there.
Yes, it's very practical, and the size is perfect for a small living room.
I like the design, but is it strong enough for daily use?
Yes, the frame is solid wood and the glass top is tempered, very durable.
That's good. I want it to last at least 5 to 6 years.
No problem. The wood finish is also easy to clean. Just wipe it with a damp cloth.
Nice. What about color? Should I choose dark brown or light brown?
Dark brown looks modern and matches most sofas. Light brown is classic and bright.
Dark brown is better. It matches my gray sofa perfectly.
Great choice. Now let's check the price.
How much is it?
It's $150. They also offer free delivery if you buy this week.
That's affordable. Can they assemble it at home?
Yes, the delivery team can assemble it for you. It will be ready in 1 hour.
Awesome. Thank you, Emma, for helping me choose.
You're welcome. Shopping for furniture is always fun, especially when you find the perfect piece.
Emma, I need a new TV stand. My old one is small and cannot hold my big TV.
Okay, Liam, let's see. There are wooden TV stands, metal ones, and modern units with shelves. Which type do you like?
I think a wooden stand with storage is better. I want space for my DVDs and gaming consoles.
Good choice. Look at this one. It has 3 drawers and 2 open shelves. Very stylish.
Wow, that looks perfect. It also matches my living room sofa.
Yes, and the top is strong enough for a 50-inch TV.
Great. What about the material? Will it last long?
Yes, it is made of solid wood with a smooth finish, very durable.
That's important. I want furniture that lasts many years.
Also, the drawers are soft close, so they don't slam. Very convenient.
Perfect. What about color? Should I choose black, brown, or white?
Black looks modern and matches most TVs. Brown is classic. White looks bright.
I like black. It will look modern and match my sofa.
Excellent choice. Now let's check the price.
How much is it?
It's $300. They also provide free delivery and assembly.
That's good. I don't want to assemble it myself.
No worries. Delivery team will bring it home and assemble it for you.
Thank you, Emma. You always help me choose the best furniture.
You're welcome. Now your living room will look modern and organized.
Emma, I need a new bookshelf for my room. My old one is too small and crowded.
Okay, Liam, let's see. There are wooden bookshelves, metal ones, and modular designs. Which type do you like?
I like wooden bookshelves. They look classic and strong.
Yes, wood is very durable. Look at this one. It has 5 shelves and a small drawer at the bottom.
Wow, that's perfect. I can put my books on the shelves and small items in the drawer.
Exactly. And the height is 2 meters. Plenty of space for all your books.
Great, but what about stability? I don't want it to fall.
Don't worry. It is made of solid wood with strong joints. Very stable.
Perfect. What about the color? Should I choose dark brown or white?
Dark brown looks classic and matches most furniture. White looks modern and bright.
I like dark brown. It will match my study desk.
Good choice. Also, the shelves are adjustable. You can change the height according to your books.
That's useful. Some of my books are very tall.
Yes, this bookshelf is very practical for any room.
How much does it cost?
It's $200. Free delivery is included.
That's affordable. Can they assemble it at home?
Yes, the delivery team will bring it home and set it up for you.
Thank you, Emma. You always help me choose the best furniture.
You're welcome, Liam. Now your room will look organized and all your books will have a perfect place.
Emma, I want a new wardrobe with a mirror. My old wardrobe doesn't have one.
Okay, Liam, let's see. There are wooden wardrobes, sliding door wardrobes, and wardrobes with mirrors. Which type do you like?
I think sliding doors with a mirror is better. It saves space and is convenient.
Yes, sliding doors are very practical. Look at this one. It has a large mirror on the right door and 3 sections inside.
Wow, that's perfect. I can check my clothes in the mirror before going out.
Exactly. And the wardrobe has enough space for your clothes, shoes, and accessories.
Great. Is it strong and durable?
Yes, it's made of solid wood and has a smooth finish. The sliding doors are soft close, so no noise.
Perfect. What about color? Should I choose white, black, or brown?
White looks modern and bright. Black is sleek and modern too. Brown is classic.
I like white. It will make my room look bigger and brighter.
Good choice. Also, the shelves inside are adjustable. You can change the height for your clothes and accessories.
That's useful. Some of my clothes are long.
Yes, this wardrobe is very practical, and the mirror is full length, so you can see your outfit completely.
How much does it cost?
It's $600. Delivery and assembly are free.
That's great. I don't want to assemble it myself.
No worries. The delivery team will bring it home and assemble it.
Thank you, Emma. You always help me choose the best furniture.
You're welcome, Liam. Now your room will be stylish and organized, and the mirror will be very useful every day.
Emma, I want a new recliner for my living room. My old chair's uncomfortable.
Okay, Liam, let's see. There are leather recliners, fabric armchairs, and modern recliners. Which type do you like?
I think a fabric recliner is better. It's soft and comfortable.
Yes, fabric is cozy. Look at this gray recliner. It has a footrest and can lean back easily.
Wow, that looks perfect. I can relax after a long day.
Exactly. And the cushion is very soft but firm enough to support your back.
That's important. I want comfort and good support.
The chair also rotates 360 degrees, so you can turn it in any direction.
Amazing. What about size? Will it fit in my living room?
Yes, it's 1 meter wide and 1 meter deep. It will fit perfectly near your sofa.
Great. What about color? Should I choose gray, brown, or blue?
Gray is modern and matches most furniture. Brown looks classic. Blue is bright and fun.
I like gray. It matches my sofa perfectly.
Good choice. Also, the recliner has a strong wooden frame and high-quality fabric. It will last many years.
That's important. How much does it cost?
It's
Emma, I need a new nightstand for my bedroom. My old one is small and not useful.
Okay, Liam, let's see. There are wooden nightstands, metal ones, and modern bedside tables. Which type do you like?
I think a wooden nightstand is better. It looks classic and strong.
Yes, wood is durable. Look at this one. It has 2 drawers and a small shelf at the bottom.
2 drawers? That's perfect. I can keep my books, phone charger, and small items inside.
Exactly. And the shelf at the bottom is useful for magazines or a small basket.
Great! Is it stable? I don't want it to tip over.
Don't worry, it is made of solid wood with strong legs. Very stable.
Perfect. What about color? Should I choose brown, black, or white?
Brown is classic and warm. Black is modern. White is bright and matches most rooms.
I like white. It will match my bed and make the room look bright.
Good choice. Also, the drawers are soft close, so they won't make noise at night.
That's important. I don't want any noise when I wake up early.
Yes, and the tabletop is smooth and easy to clean. You can put your lamp or alarm clock on it.
Perfect. How much does it cost?
It's $120. Delivery is free, and the team can assemble it for you.
That's great. I don't want to assemble it myself.
No worries. They will bring it home and set it up.
Thank you, Emma. You always help me find the best furniture.
You're welcome, Liam. Now your bedroom will look organized and stylish with the perfect nightstand.